This is a review on the easyguard CAN bus universal car alarm. I'm going to run through some of the features, and the first feature is keyless entry. So here's the key, here's the car. You walk near the car and it unlocks. Start the car. Car is on. Turn the car off. Still haven't touched the keys. Walking away from the car. Car locks. Same thing. Car is unlocked. Turning the car on, or just the ignition. Putting the windows down. And windows are down. All the windows are down. Turn the car off. Walk away from the car. And you can see the windows are going up. Another good feature is with the keyless entry, if you hold down the arm and disarm button together at the same time, it'll double beep. Now that feature is disabled. So say if you're out like I do, a lot of camping, now I can walk away from the car and it won't lock. If you're camping, out near your car and you're just in range of the sensors, it'll open, it'll close, it'll open, it'll close. So that's a good way to disarm that feature. If you lock the car, you can use the siren button. If you hold that down, it will auto start the car. So on a hot day, you can start the car, and if you've got your air conditioning on, and it'll cool the car down for you. I'll just hold it again, and that'll turn the car off. The car stays locked all the time until you walk up next to the car with the keyless entry, or you hit the unlock button. Another good feature is, say if you don't want to disturb people at night and you want to close the car without the siren going off, you can hold the button, the lock button down, and that will actually disable the siren. As you can see, now I've opened the car, locked the car, now it's got no more siren. You do the same thing. Now the siren works. This little alarm system has very good features, and I have been using it now for 3 years and have not had a problem since. Also, if your battery goes low, or if you don't want to take the keys with you, I'll move these out of the way. Just lock it. So it's locked. It also has a keypad, so I'll put in my now the car is unlocked and I can drive it away. Same thing. Now the car is locked. I'll put a link in the description for this alarm. It also has GPS tracking and has an app on the phone, but you have to get the 4G module. When mine first came out, it only came out with a 2G module, so I'm going to get the 4G module and put the GPS tracking on it, and I can use the phone app as well. So I hope you like that, and that's the easyguard car alarm system.